I'm Naina Manori, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Civil Engineering, SVIT Bangalore. I'm the course coordinator for the subject Advanced Surveying. Module 4, Aerial Photogrammetry. The scale of an aerial photograph is 1 centimeter equals to 100 meter. The photograph size is 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter. Determine the number of photographs required to cover an area of 100 kilometers square. If the longitudinal lap is 60% and the side lap is 30%. Write down the given data. The scale they have given. Okay, that is 1 centimeter equals to 100 meter. And the photograph size it is 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter. Okay, from that they have given length of the photograph in the direction of the flight. That is in the direction of the flight, the length it is denoted by L. Similarly, width of the photograph perpendicular to the length of the flight they have given, that is W, that is 20 centimeter. That is what width of the photograph normal to the direction of the flight. Okay, next is what they have given. Required to cover an area of 100. Here they have given total area of 100 square kilometer. You need to calculate the number of photographs required. The longitudinal lap they have given, it is denoted by PL, that is 60%, that will be, it is what, 0.6, and the side lap they have given, that is PW, 30%, that is 0.3. Okay. Next you need to calculate the actual ground length covered by each photograph. It is denoted by L, that will be equal to 1 minus PL into S into L. Okay, substitute the value. 1 minus PL is 0.6, the scale is 100 into L value it is 20. Okay, substitute the L value in centimeter itself and the scale in meter. Okay, and calculate it. You will get it as the value L value in terms of meter. That is L equals to 800 meter. That will be equal to what? 0.8 in terms of kilometer. It is 0.8 kilometer. Similarly, you need to calculate the actual ground width covered by each photograph. Okay, that is denoted by W. That will be equal to 1 minus PW into S into small w. Substitute the value. 1 minus PW it is 0.3, that is the side lap, into scale is 100, width it is 20. Okay, and upon simplification you will get it as 1400 meter. Then in terms of kilometer it is 0.4 kilometer. Next you need to calculate ground area covered by each photograph. It is denoted by small a. That will be equal to what? L into W. That is what? 0.8 into. Okay, you need to calculate ground area. It is denoted by small a. It is in the shape of rectangle. That is L into W. That is 0.8 into 1.4. Okay, you will get it as 1.12 kilometers square. Okay, then number of photographs you need to calculate it. Number of photographs it is denoted by N. That will be equal to capital A divided by A. Okay, substitute it. Capital A is they have given, that is 100 kilometers square. They have given in the problem, that is required to cover total area, that is 100 divided by, that is small a, it is 1.12. Okay, then upon simplification you will get it 90 numbers. Okay, so total 90 numbers of photographs are required to cover an area of 100 square kilometer. Thank you.